Luxor Industrial Corporation of Vancouver, BC has developed patented bridging systems which help reduce significantly the amount of lumber used in wood frame construction. Recent approval for recognition of Luxor's patented IBS2000 bridging products under Section 9 of the National Building Code of Canada makes their use applicable to conventional lumber joists. Tests conducted in accordance with building code specifications showed that the racking stiffness properties of the IBS2000 bridging units are superior to conventional bridging by an average of 400 to 600%. Double 2x12s can be replaced by single 2x12 construction, or in some cases less expensive joists of shallower dimensions can be used, thereby providing a stronger floor with less materials. Spans of up to 34% longer are achieved in floors installed with the IBS2000 units.
We've just been introduced to it, and we've been very successful as far as changing customers over from engineered floor systems to a 2x10 system with a cost saving anywhere from 20 to 30%.
The system felt very solid and very stiff for that particular application.
We decided to use the IBS2000 bridging system for our floors. We have over 2,000 square feet of ceramic, tile, granite, and limestone on the floors and couldn't afford to have them breaking due to deflection in the joists. The IBS2000 system completely stiffened the floor and eliminated any worry of broken tiles.
What it does, it makes everything a little easier, a little faster.
Terry Lashman, the president of Luxor Industrial Corporation, advises that the IBS2000 products will revolutionize building practices as they will allow for significant design changes in traditional, residential, and commercial construction. And based on the benefits derived from the use of the IBS2000 units, the company believes this system will soon become the new standard for floor design and construction.